In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation slide, or a poster, your background sets the tone for the entire design. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the different ways you can add and customize backgrounds in Canva, so you can quickly create something that looks polished and professional. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one you want to edit. Once your blank canvas or current design is on the screen, look over to the left-hand side. This is where you'll find your main toolbar. Here, you'll see options like templates, elements, text, and you'll also see an option labeled background, or a tab with similar wording. Click on that background tab. Canva will now show you a panel full of ready-made background options. These can include solid colors, gradients, patterns, textures, and even photos. Scroll through the options and take your time to preview what's available. When you see one you like, simply click on it once, and Canva will automatically apply it to the entire page. If you prefer a simple, clean look, you can use a solid color instead of a pattern or image. To do this, click on any blank area of your design so that the page itself is selected. Then look for the color tile or color picker, usually near the top of the screen. Click it and a color menu will open. You can choose from default colors, recently used colors, or enter a specific hex code if you're matching a brand color. Once you click the color you want, your background will instantly update. You can also use images or photos as backgrounds. Go to the Photos tab or the Uploads tab in the left toolbar. If you choose Photos, browse or search for an image that fits your theme. If you choose Uploads, you can bring in your own image from your device. After selecting your image, drag it onto the canvas. Then, right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background, or simply drag it to the edges until it snaps into place and fills the whole page. From here, you can customize further. With a photo background selected, use the transparency slider to make it lighter so text stands out better. You can also apply filters or adjust brightness and contrast to match your design style. Once you're happy with the background, remember to save or download your design so you can use it wherever you need.